An air quality alert for you tomorrow. I'm Chief Meteorologist Amber Sellens, and we are under an ozone high pollution advisory. So air quality is looking unhealthy for sensitive groups tomorrow. That's those of you with asthma, COPD, any other kind of respiratory condition. You want to limit your time outside throughout the day tomorrow. And of course, all of us can help out and prevent the problem from getting worse. We can try to carpool or use public transportation, even just refueling our cars after dark or avoiding those long drive-through lines at your favorite lunch spot will help for tomorrow as well. Temperatures back up near average tomorrow too. So we're in the triple digits, soaring up to 105 tomorrow afternoon, which will be about 10 degrees hotter than where we ended up today. We start in the 70s in the morning, hit 90 degrees around 10 o'clock, 99 through the lunch hour, and then 105 around 4 p.m. tomorrow as winds stay less than 10 miles per hour throughout the day. In Mesa, 103 for you. Fountain Hills at 102 tomorrow. Carefree and Cave Creek in the low 100s after an early morning start in the 60s up there tonight. Most of our West Valley cities dropping into the 60s overnight too. So if you're an early riser, temperatures look great in the morning, just heating up in that afternoon forecast with Peoria and Glendale at 105 for tomorrow. Up north, Flagstaff down to 35 tonight. The Grand Canyon freezing at 30 degrees and temperatures in the low 70s for Bullhead City and Lake Havasu in the overnight forecast. Along the rim, lows in the 40s for Heber and Show Low, Payson down to 49 and Prescott at 46 tonight with highs there tomorrow back in the upper 80s to low 90s. So we're warming things up significantly across the state for tomorrow afternoon, and it won't stop there. We continue heating up day by day as we head into your weekend forecast. And starting Friday, an excessive heat watch is now in effect for the valley and most of those low-lying areas around the entire state. It's even going to stretch up north of the valley for Friday through your Father's Day weekend and into Monday and Tuesday as well, as we not only face our first long stretch above 110, but also go into record territory. So Friday, 110 degrees, Saturday, 112, which will be 2 degrees shy of the record. Sunday for Father's Day, a record tying 115, and Monday, a record tying 118 degrees. Still looking pretty hot Tuesday as well, and we're likely to break that record of 116 as we go up to 117, and at that point, lows in Phoenix only dip down into the 90s.